Good day, everyone. I prepared a step-by-step explanation of how LLMs at the end give values to logits and temperature and softmax function. I did it in Google Sheets and I can easily make it accessible to everyone, but I want to show you the last figure here. This is a probability of 16 logits. I use just 16. It would be more accurate to show hundreds or thousands, but you know. Temperature 1 is how normally softmax works. So we can see that it's about 70% certain about one answer and about 25% certain about other answer, about 1% certain about third answer, and rest is basically noise. Let's see what happens when we go to, for example, 0.8. Well, okay, we are now more certain. It's over 75% certain in its answer. The other one is lower, now at 22% approximately. Well, let's lower it to 0.5. Yeah, now it's almost 90% certain of this one answer, slightly over 10% certain of the other answer, and basically those two add to 100% at this moment because the other noise has been completely eliminated and not worth anything. Okay, let's go to extreme example 0.1. Yeah, it's from memory, it's like 99.7% certain about this one answer. And mind you, I didn't, I almost randomly assigned values to the initial logits, so it's not like on very well trained LLM or anything like that. Let's get back to temperature 1. So normally this would basically be like tell me who what Einstein's name was, and let's say that that the most certain answer would be Albert, but let's say the other answer would be which Einstein do you want to talk about? And this 1% answer might be Alfred, after a famous musicologist. Okay, now let's go and increase the temperature. Let's say to 1.2. Well, it decreased the confidence of our main answer. It slightly increased the confidence of the answer that was less likely, and you can just see, depending on your monitor, that the other logits also increase. The noise is rising basically. It will better be at 1.5. it will be better seen at 1.5. Yeah, so the answer number 3 is now about 4%, 3.5%. Main answer is barely 55% certain. The answer number 2 would be 28% certain. Let's go a bit more extreme to 2. And now we can see that even those answers that are supposed to be basically rejected aren't. They have about 2% chance of being picked. So if you increase temperature, please have min p at least at 0.05. As you can see, the third answer would actually clear that threshold at 12, logit 12. We are even less certain about 40% of the main answer, and the answer number 2, it's lowering its probability again because it's being eaten by the probabilities of less important logits, because probability must add to 1. All of those probabilities add to 1. That's always true. Okay, thank you, goodbye. Please subscribe, leave the comment, and tell me what should I do to improve. Goodbye.